Guys, we all need to eat. It is a reality of humanity that we need food to function. And yet most of us literally do not know what is happening when we put food into our bodies. And I know that power comes from knowledge, but more importantly, applying that knowledge is where we get transformation. So sometimes we get bombarded with so much different information that we don't know where to start. So I want to make it really simple for you. Join me on the 10th of February for our Nutrition 101, hashtag the Pure Life fundamentals around food. And I'm going to share with you 4 simple principles that if you apply them, you're going to stop fighting with food. You're going to stop seeing it as an issue or an obstacle. You're going to step into a healthy, loving relationship with food. And it's going to be easy to understand how to not only have cellular wellness, but also a body that you love, energy that is steady all day long, and the ability to be able to live your life free from this fight with food, okay? You'll be able to go out and socialize. You'll also be able to, at an instant, know how to bring together a meal that's going to nourish you and give you the results you want. So join me for this workshop, guys. I want you to feel empowered around food. I want you to have the results that you're seeking, and it truly is much easier than you think.